Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have a cutting machine. It's like a cutter, a battery powered cutter. It's really cool. So, oh, this is nice. I've had some of these before and they were so big and cumbersome. This one here is nice and small. So the way it works is it's got the cutting disc on there and it will go through as you're pushing through, it will cut stuff. And look at that on the back here. It says it's number 3. I guess there's different levels maybe of settings. And then when I push the button, it says 70%. I guess that's going to be the battery power as well. Let's see what we need to do here. Let's look at the instructions just a little bit and see what we need. So read the instructions, blah, 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 blah. Okay, we have electric scissors. We have lock button, case, decorative switch, working switch, and charging port. Okay, so we have all that stuff here. So the switch, looks like this here's got a little plastic over it. Got one of those little screen protector thingies. If I can peel it off, there we go. Maybe not. No, whatever. Oh, there's the switches there. So 3, 2, 4. Let's see what that does. It's the speed, yes. Okay, so let's just leave it on 1. And I'm just gonna go ahead and try to cut the box and see what happens. Let's see what happens when we go through the box. Wow, like butter, look at that. And then if I go to 2, 3, 4. Even faster. It makes a nice good cut. So if you're cutting up cardboard boxes or doing stuff or whatever like that, this is going to be great. So there we go. I got that off. Okay. And so very cool. Nice little setup here. Oh, it does have some sticky stuff left, but you get the idea. Very nice little cutter, and it charges itself back up again with the rechargeable right there. So if you're cutting up boxes and stuff, this is going to be a winner. Especially me, I get tons of packages, so it's going to be great.